Jai Jawan. Babruban Yadav, whose outstanding bravery and astute leadership changed the course of the 1971 war in India's favor. Commodore Babruban Yadav was the first Indian naval officer who was awarded the famed Mahavir Chakra. He received the award in 1972 for his astounding bravery and actions in the 1971 Indo-Pak War. He passed away after a brief illness on 22 January 2010 at the age of 82. Commodore Babruban Yadav was born on 14 September 1928 in the village Baravas in the Rewari district of Haryana. Commodore Yadav belonged to a military family wherein his father and brother also served in the armed forces. Commodore Yadav's father, Major Bhagwan Singh Yadav, participated in the World Wars and was awarded the Member of the Order of British Empire, and his elder brother Mahendra Singh Yadav served as a colonel in the Indian Army. Commodore Yadav passed his intermediate examinations from the Banaras Hindu University and received his Bachelor of Science from St. Stephen's College in Delhi in 1947. He was excellent in swimming but had never seen the seas till the age of 20. At the age of 22, he applied to join the Navy under the Direct Entry Graduate Scheme. In 1949, Commodore Yadav was selected by the Naval Selection Board and subsequently in September was sent to Dartmouth to join the 1949 class of the famous Benbow Division. He served on board Her Majesty's ship Devonshire in 2 training cruises as a midshipman. Finally, on 1st January 1951, he was commissioned into the Indian Navy. In 1954, he went back to United Kingdom and joined Her Majesty's ship Vernon to specialize in anti-submarine warfare. He served as the Squadron Training 8th Section Officer in Indian Naval ship Brahmaputra and in 1960s was the Fleet Training 8th Section Officer of the Western Fleet. Commodore Yadav, as Lieutenant Commander, underwent the Staff Course at Defence Services Staff College, Wellington, from May 1963 to November 1963. Indo-Pak War, December 1971. In 1971, Commodore Yadav was serving as the Squadron Commander of the 25th Missile Squadron based in Mumbai. In preparation for the impending war, Commodore Yadav had worked up his squadron in dummy attacks simulated against a port. Finally, on 2nd December, he took command of 3 missile boat task force: Indian Naval Ship Nipat, Indian Naval Ship Nirgat and Indian Naval Ship Veer. Subsequently, with the onset of the war, the missile boats attacked Karachi on 4th December 1971. The task force of Overseas Contingency Operations class boats sank 3 Pakistani ships. The mission was code-named Operation Trident. This battle only lasted for 90 minutes and Indian Navy sank 4 Pakistan vessels including a cargo carrying ammunition and also destroyed Pakistan fuel storage facilities at Karachi Harbour, killing over 500 Pakistan Navy personnel before successfully returning back to Indian base without any single casualty. Nipat was the name of Indian naval ship which destroyed the entire Pakistan naval base. Before Nipat could come to an halt at Indian Harbour, one sailor climbed up the missile hangar of it and wrote "Kill us" on it with red paint, which was readable from a good distance, and this squadron was thereafter known as Killers. During this mission, Commodore Yadav was fearless and pushed through despite facing a threat of air, surface, and submarine attack. He displayed a strategic approach and great leadership during the attack deep into the enemy harbor. His outstanding bravery and astute leadership resulted in the success of Operation Trident and changed the course of the war in India's favor. Commodore Yadav, commander at the time, was promoted to captain and then commodore after. He served in the National Cadet Corps as the State Director of National Cadet Corps (NCC) in Chandigarh for Punjab, Himachal Pradesh and Haryana before retiring from the Navy in 1982. After his retirement, he served briefly in the Merchant Navy and died of natural causes at the age of 82. Commodore Yadav's bravery is the stuff of legend and he is undoubtedly an iconic figure of the Indian Navy. Commodore Yadav is one of the most respected officers of the Indian Navy and the nation will always remember him as one of its greatest soldiers. Jai Hind.